there, it's Gina. I want to thank the brand Shell Education for sending me over a copy of their workbook. This is 180 days of science. This particular one is for third grade, but they have many different grade levels. I want to tell you when I'm sharing this with you, I love their books, and I was a former classroom teacher, both general ed and special ed, for a couple of decades. That's the perspective I'm talking about these, and I want to take a close-up look and show you what's inside. If you have a third grader who loves learning about the world around them, this is such a fun workbook to add into your routine. This is the 180 Days of Science, Earth, and Space Science for third grade. So they do have other editions for different grade levels, so be sure and check them out if you don't have a third grader. This is helping kids build a stronger understanding of Earth and space science concepts in a way that's really approachable and understandable for where they are at. What I really like about the 180 Days series is that it breaks everything down into short, manageable daily practice. This is helpful for kids who do better with just a little bit at a time instead of sitting through a whole long lesson. You can easily use this as part of a homeschool day. You could use it for extra reinforcement after school, a good summer review, or even just screen-free learning activity that you want to keep on hand. Earth and space science can be such an exciting subject for this age group because kids are naturally curious about things like weather, rocks, landforms, planets, and how things work. So a workbook like this gives them a chance to practice those concepts in a hands-on, consistent way that helps everything stick a little bit better. So I think it's also great for parents because it gives you something that's teacher created and easy to follow, so you're not having to plan all the lesson yourself. So if your child enjoys science or just needs a little extra practice with Earth and space concepts at home, this one is a really good option. If you are looking for a teacher-created science workbook for third graders that's fun, simple, and easy to work into your day, this is one to check out.